Have you ever been in Bali and dreamt about the perfect waterfall? The perfect one is always close by. It's where you can influence a way, and it's insta-swimmable. And also, you don't have to hike that far away. Well, search no further. Today, I will show you that waterfall. Yeah, wow, we're at TIBUMANA waterfall, and yeah, I like this place. Like this waterfall. It's really close to Ubud, and it's maybe like an hour from Denpasar. So this waterfall is really close and it's majestic. Unfortunately, yesterday there was rain, so the water is a little bit muddy, but that's expected. But oh my god, when you swim inside the waterfall, it's big and it's powerful. So cool. The water is not actually cold. It was like chilly, but not colder than the other ones. The only thing I don't like is that there's so many people here. We came here like at 1, so there was many tourists here. I'm guessing that if you arrive here in the morning, it will be a little bit better. And yeah, I like this waterfall. It's close by, it's nice, and you can take really cool pictures here. So like and subscribe. Also remember to share with all your family and your friends and your teachers from the first grade. Remember to share it with them, okay? Good luck. If you're coming to Bali and you have no idea what to see and what to watch, you can just watch some of my videos where I visit everything in Bali. No, don't do that. I don't visit everything, but I visit a lot of tourist attractions, so you can just see through my videos and yeah, decide yourself where you want to go.